How to fix Instagram repost button missing. Now, if you're encountering this kind of issue, here are simple steps for you to be able to fix this. So, repost button is actually located at the very third option right here, just the first, second, and third. So this is going to be your repost button. If this is not visible or available on your end, here's how you can fix it. Of course, the very main thing that you want to do is to ensure that you're using the latest version of Instagram application. Head into your Google Play Store or any app store available on your device. Locate Instagram, and from here, make sure that the update button is not visible. Simply tap on update if it is, so that it will instantly update by itself. Next is to do offload on the Instagram app. Simply tap and hold in it and choose on the eye icon that will redirect you into app info. Scroll down, head straight into storage, and just simply comply both clear data and clear cache. Now, if none of these troubleshooting steps are working, your last resort is to report this issue into um, the Instagram support. Head into the three lines at the top right in your Instagram app. Scroll all the way down and then choose on Help under More Info and Support. From here, choose on Report a Problem and then choose on Report Problem without shaking. Now, just simply choose on the on-screen prompts from here till you get into the description box, and then just simply be specific on what is your current issue that is ongoing in your Instagram app. And that's how you fix Instagram repost button missing.